Cold start. What's up, Mailman 392 coming at you. Rain came in last night, man, and messed up a few things in certain areas, but it cooled things out quite a bit. Feel good this morning, so I decided to get out, run a few errands, let these windows down, let this sunroof back, so my hair can blow in the wind. You know, I don't want to mess I hope I don't mess my edges up. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, I'm about to run a few errands and stop by my parents' house, man. I got a little project over there I need to get started on. So I'm gonna go over there and check it out and see where I'm gonna start first. I got a great idea where I need to start, and I got somebody, my partner, man, called me up the other day and told me he had something for me for my project. So I'm gonna go over and check that out, see what's going on, see what we can get going. Yeah, got something right here, little project coming. 1964 Chevelle Malibu 4-door. Yeah, I know it's a 4-door. I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna turn into. Gonna get all this redone. Gotta get out my little leaks and everything. Feel, see it's water in here. Gotta get all that done. Probably leaking through up in here. Y'all can see it's in fairly good condition. I had a cover on it, but cover blew off. Been working so much, man, I ain't had time to put in time on the little project. See, the body still look good, no dents. It's rusty, but it ain't nothing but a little TLC need to be done to it. Get it back right. So stay tuned, y'all. I don't know if I want to turn into a muscle car, 5-second car. I want to just cruise it. So it's coming. Alright, y'all, I'm finna leave on my parents' house. Just had to show y'all this right here. It's my mom's car. 2019 Camaro RS. Yeah, y'all heard me. I said my mom's car. 74-year-old driving this Camaro. She driving in sport mode all the time too. Talking about she like the way it sounds. Then of course, you know, it's that little blue thing right there. That old 392. Show y'all what to get. Put off in the thing right there. What I was looking for wasn't in a Raleigh. So it's up here in AutoZone. I'll go ahead and I'll show y'all what I'm looking for. All right, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Products from BP Racing Fuel, Octane. You got your unleaded, and you have your race formula. Race formula states that it increase your octane up to 80 points, and your regular unleaded 70 points. So today, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with this race formula. See what it do, y'all. See about making some power. All right, y'all, here we go. Get y'all up. Next video, I'll show y'all what this red thing is. Stay tuned.